Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever wondered why the art room is like a magical castle? With the right rules, we can paint, draw, and create wonders together. Let's step into a world of colors and imagination.
Mina, what are you drawing?
Mama, look! I drew a house.
That's so cute, Mina. You have such a creative mind. You know, there's a special room where you can make even bigger, better drawings.
A special room? What's that, Mama?
It's the art room. But before we enter, let me tell you a secret. There are some important rules to follow there.
What rules?
Rule number 1, keep the mess on the table. We don't want the paint all over the floor. Do we?
Okay. No paint on the floor. Got it. Wow, look at all the colors. I'm going to paint a rainbow.
That's awesome, Mina. But remember the second rule. Clean your brushes when you're done using them.
What do you mean, Mama?
If you don't clean your brushes, the paint might get stuck, and you won't be able to use them again.
Oh, I get it now. I don't want my rainbow to look messy. I'll clean my brush every time I use a new color. I'm going to make the biggest drawing ever. Look, this paper is huge.
Mina, you can't draw on the floor. The rule number 3 is, draw only on paper, canvas, or board.
Oh, right! I almost forgot! I'll use this big paper instead. Rule number 4. Always wear your apron or old clothes. Otherwise, you will get mess on your shirt. I'm glad I didn't get paint on my clothes.
And rule number 5, wash your hands when you're done. We don't want the paint all over the house.
Thank you so much, Mama. Now, I know all the rules of the arts room.
Great job, Mina.
Now it's the time for quiz. What is the first thing you should do when you enter the art room? Option A. Start drawing without asking the teacher. Option B. Sit quietly and listen to the teacher's instructions. Option B is correct. In the art room, it's important to listen and follow the teacher's instructions first. Which picture shows a student following the art room rules? Option A, a child cleaning up their workspace after finishing. Option B, a child throwing paint everywhere. Excellent. Option A is correct. Art room rules include keeping things clean and using supplies properly. Which picture shows someone not following the art room rules? Option A, a child playing with scissors. Option B, a child holding scissors carefully. Good job! Option A is correct. You should always ask for permission before using any art supplies. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is false. It's okay to make a mess in the art room if you're having fun. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. In the art room, it's important to keep things clean and tidy after using them. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll explore the colorful world of brushes, crayons, and so much more. It's going to be an artsy blast!